popular entertainments in Rome. One of the most popular ones was in which the gladiators fought each other. The gladiatorial fights were usually held in amphitheaters. This was a large oval canvas awnings, supported by ropes and pulleys, were all over the seating area to give shelter from the sun, so the Pompeians wouldn't get too hot. These amphitheaters were large enough to contain a whole population. They can also hold neighboring towns near Pompeii. At many shows, most of them offered a venatio, a hunt of wild animals. In these events, wild beasts were released into the arena, and their object was to kill the hunters. These hunters were lithe clothing, relied on only a spear and their agility to avoid getting eaten and injured by these animals. Most of the animals were either lion or boar, and were very, very fierce. The pairing of gladiators were important to the Romans as they wanted to see fair play in the gladiatorial combats. Matched pairs of Roman gladiators ensure that a fighter was given heavy armor while the other was lightly armed. One gladiator might have freedom of movement but with little armor. The other gladiator is matched against him might be more heavily armored and protected, but restricted in his movements by the armor he's wearing. There were approximately 30 different types of gladiators who specialized in having specific weapons, armors, and shields. Gladiators did not use shields just for defense. They also used them for pushing against their opponent and hitting them with it. Some of the weapons used are bow and arrow, single-edged cavalry sword, trident, sword, casting net, spear, throwing spear, small shield used for hitting, dagger, half sword, long broadswords, and short light throwing spears.